Alrighty, so you probably have a question. How do I hook up a shop vac to my miter saw? Simple solution. See this bag? That's your dust collector bag. Take it off. Okay, she's gonna have a little bit in there. If you've used it at all, it's fine, not a big deal. Toss it off to the side. Not like toss it off to where you can't find it, no. Put it somewhere where you're gonna see it. Take your shop vac hose, you're gonna put that right on there. Now this one's too big to fit nice and snug. Well, we could tape it off there. Though I don't know that I really want to do that. That's gonna be our option because I don't have any connectors for this guy. So you turn your shop vac on. And she'll suck up. You probably don't have to tighten it, or you can leave it the way it is, and she'll still suck up. So, if your dust collector thing is here towards the top on your model of saw, that hose sitting there like that will more than likely be fine. Even when this comes up, you can see it's going to pinch against the wall there a little bit. So all we need to do is pull this out away from the wall a little bit further. That was enough to get it down. So, and that's not going to cause much of a problem. I mean, remember, this saw was pushing the dust into the collection bag anyway. So it's pushing it into this anyway, and we're adding the vacuum suction power to it. So it's going to suck, and well, actually when that's up in the air, that does not want to come off at all anyway. So if your saw model is like this, good, great, grand, you don't need to do anything else. You don't have to tape it down. It's not going to fall off. Now, if your port is more towards the back of the saw, you could go get a coupler. Go to the plumbing section of your local hardware store, get a rubber coupler. We just measure this here to see what this one would be. This one would be 1.5 inch for the saw vac, and 1 3/4 inch for the hose. So you just measure. We're going with outside diameter because we want to make sure that goes into the coupler. So you get yourself a little rubber coupler for converting from that 1.5 to that 1 3/4, and then connect those onto there, either just by shoving them in, or you can get clamps to put onto it to make it a little more sturdy, a little more stable for you. That piece will be good enough for that. I don't know if you could see that or not, but she stuck that right up in there. She went right inside the hose. Not a problem at all. I had some out here to begin with, but I don't see anything new, anything spilled up here. So now I can go ahead and start working on cleaning up my shop. If I need to take it off to put it onto my sander, well, I can, although my sander, the adapter there would be quite different. If I'm going to be down here more frequently, I'm going to go ahead and get that coupler on there, and then for the sander, I'd go ahead and get a coupler for that. I hope that helps somebody out.